Hi, I'm Chef Chris Wilson, Corporate Chef for United Family of Stores. Today we're going to talk about using leftover turkey. As an alternative to soups and sandwiches, I'm going to show you how to prepare a stacked turkey enchilada. I started off by taking turkey breast and dicing it and mixing it with red enchilada sauce. As you can see, I've chopped it nice and fine. We're going to take our tortilla, you can use white or yellow, these happen to be yellow, and place it in your pan. If you'd like, you can also use a foil pan. We're going to add a thin layer of the enchilada sauce, followed by turkey, followed by a little green chili sauce. We're also going to add a nice slice of Munster cheese, which melts really smooth. We're going to follow that with another tortilla. Continue to repeat your layers, smoothing out each layer. A little green. 2 layers is usually enough. Then I'm going to take some queso Fresca. It's a fresh Mexican crumbled cheese. Has a nice salty flavor. Crumble that on the top. Then take your enchilada and place it in a 475-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Now that we've had it in there about 25 minutes, it's ready. As you can see, it has a nice golden brown. The cheese is melted in the middle. We're going to take a little bit of fresh cilantro, tear it, put it on the top, and serve it. How beautiful is that? These recipes and others are available on our website.